If you have a small space in your kitchen and you need things like pots and pans, serving dishes, all that kind of stuff, and you don't have the cupboard space for it, you need to try out these pots and pans from the brand Carote. They are amazing. So how they work is they go from oven to table to stovetop. They are dishwasher safe as well. They come with detachable handles, so you can use them on your pot, on your stove like so, while you're cooking. They even come with these beautiful ladles, non-stick surfaces, spatula ends. So you're cooking on your stove, and then when you're done, this comes off. It can go directly to your table, or you can use it as a casserole dish for your oven. Has these beautiful lids as well. And then when you're finished, you have lids to keep it in the fridge. So these are multi-purpose. They take up no space because you don't have handles, and you can store them away. Literally that. Now you've got your serving dishes, you've got your pots and pans, you've got everything. Beautiful attention to detail with the nice wood ends on these ones. Love the color. They come in black as well, and they might come in a couple other colors, but love this cream one. Will go well in any modern kitchen. You got to get yourself some.